نصنع التاريخ معا.
Joining us, welcome to the official Dubai Run 2021. We've got the beautiful UAE flag being spread across the entrance right now. This is what the Dubai Fitness Challenge is all about. We're not too far away from our official kick-off once again. Please keep your social distance. I know we have our sound guys here as well. I want to try to get some music on soon to get the atmosphere going as well. So we'll get those tunes pumped up for you. Don't forget, guys, it's not a race, it's a run. So make sure you take your time, enjoy it. All right. Of thousands of people here. 2021. Thank you so much for joining us once again. This is spectacular. Enjoy the moments. Don't go
Okay, nice.
Come on, guys! Come on, guys, we have to kill them!
Come running.
وأيضا at Dubai Fitness Challenge.
So amazing scenes at the finish line of the Dubai Run. Congratulations! Give yourselves a huge cheer for being part.
بنذكركم انه ستيشن المي موجوده على اليمين و1000 صحفين من مي طبيعيه اللي هي شريك وايضا مأمنه كل شيء انتم بحاجه له.
Amazing scenes here at the Dubai Run. Give us a big cheer, everybody! Congratulations, you've just finished the Dubai Run. Keep moving through.
London